So welcome back students. So today we are just going to take the topic again. Few students had some issues. So let us just take the revision of what we did in the last class. So we started with the book, what exactly the book is, the part that is what exactly is there in the book. And so we started with the chapter that is a data representation in computers. So first we understood about the numbering system. So I guess everybody is aware of it. And the first point is the base value. You should be concerned with the base value. And the base value is also called as radix or radix, right? So a number system is basically a decimal number system. Basically will have the base value that is 10, and the binary number system is going to have the base that is 2. Octal is going to have what? That is 8, and it is going to have 8, and hexadecimal number system is going to have the base value that is 16. And why do we have these base values? That already we know. So you can see these are the symbols used in the number system. So binary has the base value 2, and the symbols that we use is 0, 1, only 2 symbols. Octal number system has the base value 8 because there are 8 symbols, and decimal number system, that is the number system that we use, it has the 10 symbols, so 0 to 9, and the hexadecimal number system, that is 16, and these are the 16 symbols, where the after 9 we have A to F. A, that is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. And certain things that you should understand, that octal number system takes 3 bits, whereas the hexadecimal number system will take 4 bits. And we also know why it is so. Okay, that also I have explained. So children, then binary to decimal, how we are going to convert binary to decimal, that's the first thing that they have taken, but we have started from decimal to binary. So anyway, binary to decimal is also that we have already gone through it. So if any number that we have, as you can see over here, this is the number, and just a minute, let me just make this size a bit less. Okay, so then this is the procedure that we need to follow, isn't it? If this is the number, that is this one, if this is the number, so how you're going to convert this binary number into decimal is we are going to start from the right hand side, that is from 1, and then 1 into 2 raised to 0. That's the procedure that we have learned. Then this will be 1 into 2 raised to 1, 0 into 2 raised to 2, and the power gets increased, right, by 1. And then we are going to add those elements, and this is the final answer. Already we know why we have so. Another example they have taken, this is 1001, this is 4-bit, so 4-bit is that is 1 nibble, and this easily we can guess that this is 8 and this is 1, so 8 plus 1, that is 9. This is very simple. And then the another way about how to handle the binary fractional values. Okay, how to convert the binary fractional to decimal. So this is the number that they have given, children. Okay, and how you're going to convert this into the decimal value. This is a binary, and please understand, if in exam, if it is like, you come get the value, and you can see that the number that they have shown over here is the base value that they have shown over here is 2, so which indicates that this is a binary number. I can easily call this as a decimal number as well, isn't it? This can be a decimal number as well if you look at the number, but this particular base value 2 indicates that this is a binary number. So this is a binary number, and I have to convert this into decimal. So the procedure is pretty simple, that for this particular thing, you know what you're supposed to do, that is the integer part. So that is 11011. So how you're going to do? You're going to use the same procedure what we did previously. We are going to start from the right hand side and multiply that by 2 raised to, that is 0, and then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Over here they have given the decimal value that is over here, but it's not over here, just a printing mistake children. The point is basically over here, the decimal point. Okay, the decimal point is over here, please understand. So this is the decimal point, and you can see it from here. The procedure is simple, right? The same procedure, that is 1 into 2 raised to 0, then 1 into 2 raised to 1, then 2 raised to 2. The same procedure that they have come over here, that is over here. See over here. This is clear, right? The same procedure that they have followed. And now for the fractional value, what you're supposed to do is, okay, this is binary to decimal. Things, they do get a bit confusing as we do lot of conversions. Okay, so binary fractional to decimal, this was very simple, that is the integer part. And then the fractional part, what we are supposed to do, we are going to start from the left hand side. Okay, that's the first rule. You have to start from the left hand side and not from the right hand side. And the procedure that we are going to do is this one. So I'll take another highlighter for this, maybe this one. Okay, so this is for this, that is the integer part, the procedure was simple, plus this is the fractional part, which is the green highlighted. What is the procedure? The procedure is simple, that is I am going to start from the left hand side for the fractional part, but for the integer part I start from the right hand side. For the fractional part I will start with the left hand side, that is the number is what? The number is 1. So 1 into 2 raised to minus 1. Now this is minus 1 means that is 1 by 2. Okay, that is 1 by 2. Please understand this. And we are not going to start with 0. Okay, understand this. So 1 into 2 raised to minus 1. This is 1 by 2. So that is 0.5. Okay. Plus, what is the next number? That is 0. Can you see the 0? 1, 0, 1, right? So 1 into 2 raised to minus 1. Right, and then 0 into 2 raised to into 2 raised to minus 2. So this is 1 by 2 raised to 2. What is this? 1 by 2 raised to 2, and anyway that is into 0, so it will not make any difference. Okay, so this will be 0.25, and then this was 1 into 2 raised to minus 3, because that's the next number. See, 101. So that's 101. So 1 into 2 raised to minus 1, 0 into 2 raised to minus 2, and 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. So this is anyway 0. This is going to turn out to be 0, but this is 1 into 2 raised to minus 3. So 1 by 2 raised to 3. What will that be? That will be 0.125 children. That is going to be 0.125. So I hope, see, this is, I will try to do it with my, this part will be 1 by 2. This is the one, plus this is plus 1 by 2 raised to 2. Now you have to calculate that, that is 1 by 4, right? Plus this is 1 by 2 raised to 3, right? So this is 1 by 8, right? So if you, for the people who are not understanding this, so simple, I'll just show you this by the calculator. So if I divide this 1 divided by 8, so what is the answer? That is 0.125, and that's the same number, isn't it? So this is the thing you have to understand. Okay, please understand this. Okay, so this is 1 into 1 by 2, 0 into 1 by 2 raised to 2, plus this is 1 by 2 raised to 3. We start from the left hand side, and then from left hand side we will go, and then we will have this calculation, that is 2 raised to minus 1, base value, that is 2, minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 3. And if it is 1, we are going to calculate that. If it is 0, that is anyway it is going to be 0. And so we can have this calculation, that is the final output is over here. Use another pink, or I will take blue this time. Let's just rub this, and this is the calculation, and this is the final answer. Fine children, so I hope this is clear now, and this is the procedure you are supposed to use now. So if any number you have with a fractional value and that is a binary fraction, so this is the procedure you are going to use. Then decimal to binary, it is pretty simple. We have done this procedure. I don't think we need to do anything into this. We have to just keep on dividing it by 2 and we are supposed to collect the numbers from bottom to up. So this is anyway. And then how to convert a fractional decimal to binary. And this was a bit confusing. So this is very simple as well, children. It is nothing really very complicated. I will take color this time is this purple. This purple. Okay. So given fractional value is what, children? 0.75. This is not really a good example. They have just taken 2 steps. So we will move on to this particular part. Okay. So if it is 0.125 straight away, or the number is like, that is 105.15. Right, 105.15. So if it is this way, still it is okay. In that case, what you're supposed to do? First, we have to take the integer part. And right, take the integer part, that is 105. And for 105, you know what is the procedure? The same decimal to binary procedure we are going to apply. That is, we are going to divide this by 2. And so they have just shown the answer for 105 straight away over here. Okay. And then for the fractional part, that is 0.15, what we are supposed to do is we are going to multiply the fractional value, keep on multiplying it by 2. You can go till step 6 unless and until you are actually getting 0. Okay, you can take till 6 steps because the steps will be quite long. So you can go till 6 steps. So if I take 0.15, so I was this 105 is very much clear. This is just an integer part. Procedure will be very simple. That is a decimal to binary. Keep on dividing it by 2, and then we are going to have this answer. For the fractional part, 0.125, we have to multiply by 2. We have to multiply. So if I multiply 0.15, so obviously it is going to be double. So that is 0.30, isn't it? What you are supposed to do over here is, when you get this 0.30, take this 0, write it in your answer. That is 0. Okay, fine. This is 0.30. So I just took that 0, that was the answer I got. How did I got this answer? I multiplied 0.15 by 2. Okay, I had this answer. I just took that is the 0 from this, and fractional part again. So I can say I've just taken the integer part and the fractional part. So anyway, it is a fractional number. Even if I take 0, it is going to be anyway 0.30. The next number. So again, that number, the answer that I got, again I'm going to multiply that by 2. Now if I multiply this by 2, again it is going to be what? 0.60. Again I have 1 0. So again I'm going to take this 0 as well and write it over here. Then 0.60 multiplied by 2, that now this is going to be 1.20. Right? If I multiply 0.60 by 2, I am going to have the answer 1.20. Now again over here I have to take the integer part. What is that? That is 1. So just write 1 over here. Right? Now that I took 1, and I have to, now for the next multiplication, I have to only take the fractional part and not like 1.20. Okay, so the fractional, if I take 1 out of this, what is left? That is 0.20. So you can see 0.20. Multiply that by 2. Answer is what? 0. Write it over here, 0. Right. Then again, this is the answer. 0.40 is anyway going to be 0.40. That is 0.80. So again, write the 0 out here. Again, if I multiply that by 2, that is 1.60. Write the 1 out here. So this procedure keeps on going on, children, unless and until you get 0. So you can go till 6 steps. Fine. Now what is this answer? See, this is the answer, 0 0 1 0 0 1. And from for this fractional part, you're not supposed to go bottom to top, is the wrong way. You have to go top to bottom. And so you're going to take number as 0 0 1 0 0 1, and that is the number you can see for the fractional answer that they are given, that is 0.15 will be what? You can see 001, so you can see 001 since it's a fractional number, so they have taken point, 0 point. Okay, and if we have that, now we have to just join the two numbers. So for 105, that was a decimal number, decimal to binary, we got this answer. So this is what they have written over here, right? You can see over here. And the fractional number what we got is this, and you can see they have written this number over here. This is the same number, you can see. I'll highlight. Okay, and this is how they have come up with the answer. So in exam, if you have the numbers like a decimal point where we have the decimal point, so you can follow this procedure. So there is an integer part and there will be a fractional part. Or if in the exam you only have this question, that is convert this decimal into binary, so this is just a fractional value, so you can convert, just use this procedure and write this answer, that 0 point and then this number, right? And if you have that decimal values, so you take the integer part, follow the same procedure, and then take the fractional part. So I hope now this is very much clear to you children. Okay, so this was the confusion, so I hope now I've explained this pretty nicely. Okay, so then children, decimal to octal. Decimal to octal, already we have done children. What we are going to do? We are going to multiply the number, sorry, keep on dividing it by 8. The same procedure you can see over here, right? Divide the quotient by, keep on dividing the quotient by 8. Fine, so same procedure we had, this already we have done. And then the same procedure for the decimal, fractional decimal will be same children. So if they have asked for, if they have shown some good example, so for if we have the fractional number, the procedure is going to be same. Multiply the given fraction by 8, keep the integer in the product as it is, and multiply the new fractional in the product by 8. This is the same procedure that we did for decimal to the fractional decimal value to binary. Continue the process and read the integers in the product from top to bottom. Over here they have not shown the complete process. You can go till 6 steps, you can go the same thing that what we did over here. Okay, the same thing over here, it is 2, over there it is going to be by 8. Take the, only keep on taking the integer part, and then again for the next step multiply the fractional part. We'll take some more examples, do not worry. Okay, and just we will see what is given in the book. Some more exercises we will do children, do not worry. And for your exams children, I hope it is very much clear to you. We have only one chapter, that is software concepts, so please do your study nicely, do not skip anything. Okay, then how to convert, the same procedure, how to convert the octal fractional to decimal. So 23.25. so what you want to do children, this is the real integer part. The procedure is going to be so simple, right? So this is the procedure that we are going to use. Okay, over here they have given. Okay, and for the fractional part, what you're going to do, the same procedure. This will be 2 into 8 raised to minus 1. So this is what, 1 by 8. Okay, and for 5 it is going to be 5 into 8 raised to minus 2. So this is going to be, that is 1 by 8 raised to 2, isn't it? So if you see children, this is the calculation that they have done. Okay, so tomorrow again children, I will come up some more examples for the fractional values, that was for the octal. Okay, for the octal, and most probably I will show you in a PPT if there are no examples, proper examples. So some examples I'm going to show of my own, using a PowerPoint presentation, but I hope that at least today this particular concept is clear. That is what we did today. This entire explanation that I have shown you. Okay. So then let's see, we will do some more practice on this. Okay. So tomorrow again we are going to do some more practice, children. Then let us meet tomorrow. Fine. So that's it, children. Bye for now.